Hey, it's DIY Dorn here. Let's check out the new tools this week at Harbor Freight. This is an interesting one. Hadn't seen this. Well, of course I hadn't. It's new. Didn't see it coming though. This is the 3/4 inch Hercules 20-volt brushless, cordless, ultra torque impact wrench with friction ring tool only. Man, what a long name. 3/4 inch there. 1,650 foot-pounds of bolt breakaway torque and 1,100 foot-pounds of fastening torque. 4-mode, like the other ones. That's interesting. Won't have a need for that anytime soon. Check this out, though. I would like to get this. Always could use another rotary tool. I do have the 8-volt Bauer one. It's not that powerful, and it's a little thing you have to plug it in by itself. But this is the 20-volt Bauer cordless variable speed rotary tool with flexible shaft. This is nice because you get the detailed hand there. You're not holding the big, heavy tool. It's 20 volts, so it'll run on my Bauer batteries that I have, 33,000 RPMs. Comes with a 36-piece accessory kit. I'm going to get this at some point when it's on sale, I'm thinking. I do have a big corded Dremel. That's my favorite with the detail attachment on it. So I can kind of just set the main tool on the table and then use the detail one. But this looks pretty cool for a cordless one. I like that. And it's only $40. Here's a professional HTE compliant gravity feed air spray gun with rear fan control. 180, man. It's a 1,200 watt handheld steam cleaner from Grant's, $34.99. It's a little one. Here's a Icon 12-inch S-Jaw quick adjust pliers wrench. This is like I think it's a Swedish style. They don't mention that, but anyways, Icon. These I'm going to be getting. Definitely this second one here. This first one is an Icon 11-inch long-reach pistol grip needle nose pliers. And then this one is like the flat nose rounded thing for grabbing onto rounded bolt heads. So I really want to get that. And then the pistol grip of it would give you like some more torque. I definitely want those. There's a dead man switch, replacement ceramic nozzles and seals. Okay. Here is the Series 3 Icon. I saw this in the stores. This is the one I wish I had. The drawers on it lock. They have the little locking, closing things underneath them that you grab onto all the way across. They put a big drawer, a deep one on the top for your sockets. And then it looks like there's no kind of medium width one. On the Series 2, there's 2 deep ones at the bottom and then a sort of medium. I think there's like 4 different sizes on the other one. The top ones are all kind of skinny, and then there's 2 like thicker ones. There's some thicker ones, and then an even bigger one, and then the 2 deep ones at the bottom. Anyways, I'm describing it terribly, but they've changed it up a little bit. It's $3.99. And then they also have, they're all like blackout kit. You'll see the trim on here. The problem with this topper though is that those drawers don't all lock. I think it was like with the sliding thing on this topper. So that won't work for mobile people. But I wish I had that Series 3 in my van so the drawers wouldn't constantly come open. That would save me. Here's a McGraw pneumatic 3-inch cutoff tool, $24.99. Here's a 3 7/8 inch scraper. It doesn't even have any sort of brand on it. That's weird. Not even one of their, just literally no brand at all. Not even one of their brands. That's very strange. And then these are from last week. The portable chain vise from Doyle, U.S. General Power, an air tool drawer organizer, the new Warrior 11 3/4 inch flexible extension bit holder. Got some demolition reciprocating saw blades. I saw this in store. This thing's huge. This big Fortress truck bed compressor. And they got a new 6-gallon. It seems like they have a lot of compressors. Nitrile gloves. And then here's your 3/8 and 1/2 inch brush. These are the mid-torque ones. This is the Gordon Survival Emergency Kit. I kind of want to get this. Bimetal oscillating multi-tool blade. And then here's the 42-inch. I also have this one. So this is an upgrade also, but I got the Series 2 because I knew it was cheap and on clearance. So they changed up the drawers on this a little bit. It's got 2 full-length ones, which is kind of interesting, and then a couple of the deeper ones. And then there's the top chest for it. Of course, the Icon drop point knife with ceramic bearings, this clamp light. Here's the Quinn spark plug set, which I would like to get. Here's the 1/2-inch Ultra Torque cordless wrench. And then here's the magnetic socket holders. I haven't seen these out on the shelves, but I guess they were in the back. These you can these are similar to the Ulsa tools that my friend has. Snap them onto the side of your toolbox. Vertically they'll hold them, so those are pretty cool. There's a chisel set, a V-notch wire stripper, the end locker, end cabinet, the new Hercules brushless cordless random orbital sander. I almost got that. You can get this free if you buy 2 of their 5-amp Bauer batteries. Low profile ratchet. Here's the SAE versions, some solar rope, extension cord. I don't know what's new about this multimeter. It seems to be the same one, but maybe they changed it a little bit, I guess. Wood lathe chuck. And, this I want to get. This is the new, even more powerful. This is the biggest, most powerful wet dry vacuum they have. I'd like to get that at some point. And then this seemed to be a big hit, this modular titanium welding table. It's not titanium, metal. The brand is titanium. And then the Quinn 1/2-inch, aka gear wrench, sealed head ratchets here. Really nice ratchets. There's a clamp meter. These are new, I guess. I don't know what they changed about them, but I guess they do look a little bit different. I have 4 of these little bench grinders. I like them. They're pretty neat little ones. Some chargers. And then the Quinn Master socket bit set with torques and hex. Horks and techs. Here's a 1,000 peak amp. I wouldn't get that one, though. I got the Gulu GP4000 or the GT4000. I'll link it in the description. That's the best one on the market. Best money for value. Tested on Project Farm, and I've been jumping cars with it. I've already made money with it. Oh, yeah, I want this brushless, cordless belt sander from Bauer. And that's probably as far as I'm going to go back. It's weird that they're introducing a chainsaw powered by gas here. All right, that's it. This is I've gone back an entire month. But that's the new tools for kind of November and December, the last 3 or 4 weeks. So check out my channel for more tool deals, how-tos,